Hey friends, happy Friday Eve and welcome to beautiful sunny Florida in summer where our extreme heat advisory is only at 108 degrees today. I'm Chris Capp with Luker & Co.
And I'm Becky, also with Luker & Co. And today we're going to give you a tour of your next home right here in the heart of Winter Park.
This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has over 1,900 square feet of space, tall ceilings, tile flooring throughout the main living areas, and a layout that's perfect for both everyday living and entertaining.
You've got light-filled eat-in kitchen with French doors, a spacious primary suite, a private patio access, and a fully fenced-in backyard that's ready for summer barbecues or just relaxing with your favorite drink.
And here's a fun fact. Not only does this home have great curb appeal and indoor laundry, it also features a dual well system. That means better water pressure for your landscaping and lower water bills all year round.
Plus, you're in Lost Creek neighborhood, zoned for top-rated Seminole County schools, and just minutes from shopping, dining, and major roadways.
All right, let's take you inside. Sit back, enjoy the music, and soak up the vibes of your next move.
What a tour, right? This Winter Park home has the space, the updates, and the location to check all your boxes.
If you can picture yourself living here, reach out. We'd love to schedule a private showing or answer any questions that you guys might have. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the link below for a free relocation package to the area. And follow us at lukerandco.com for more home tours across Central Florida. Thanks for watching. Oh, and Becky's already trying to turn that dual well system into a backyard car wash.
Hey, 2 wells, 1 dream. Only if you're doing the detailing, Chris.
Well, you know I got that. I'm just gonna bring the microfiber towels, all right? And let's close this house. I'll catch you guys on the next tour. See ya.